Yo, what's up guys? I just got done with a full day of riding at Glen Helen. You can see the old 250, still a little bit dirty, and I'm pretty sure I just got the coolest point of view riding footage I personally have ever seen. Definitely the coolest thing that I've ever gotten to film and put on the channel for you guys. Y'all just got a little sneak peek, a little taste of it in the intro. I personally cannot believe how sick this footage turned out. If you guys liked what you saw, stay tuned, because I'm gonna take you back to the beginning of the day where I set up the camera, show you guys exactly how I got those angles, and then of course I'm gonna show you more of that footage. So stay tuned guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Let's take it back to the beginning of the day. Yo, what's up guys? Quick interruption here. I am not the type of YouTuber who goes around asking you guys to like, comment, subscribe in every video, but we are getting really close to 200,000 subscribers, and it would be really sick to reach that goal. Definitely don't feel like you have to, but if you guys enjoy the content, you want to keep watching it, and you want to help not only the channel but also my racing program, it really does help if you guys hit the subscribe button, maybe leave a comment and like a couple videos. I would greatly appreciate it. But anyways guys, let's get back to the video. In today's video, I'm probably the most excited I've been for a day of riding in quite some time. We have a new toy to play with today, and you guys know I'm a bit of a geek when it comes to cameras and technology and stuff. It's one of the reasons why this channel blew up, is because I always put a lot of work and research into getting the absolute best footage for you guys and give you guys something that you're gonna wanna watch. And earlier this week, I picked up a little unit that I believe is going to bring some epic footage onto the channel. So say hello to the new Insta360 One X2 360 degree action camera. Now, you guys may be wondering why I'm so excited about finally getting my hands on a 360 degree camera. And that is because I believe that this little unit right here is going to allow us to get some legitimate video game style third person follow cam footage while I'm out on the track riding. If that doesn't get you excited, I don't know what will. Now, this is something I've been wanting to do for a really long time, but using a standard action camera definitely has its limitations, and there were a couple reasons why I could never do it with just the standard action camera, and I'll go into those right now. So obviously, in order to get third-person footage like that, you'd have to have some sort of pole coming off of either your rear fender or off of your back somehow and suspend the camera behind you, and the field of view on a regular action camera just isn't wide enough to give the perception that you're really far behind the rider. You'd actually have to get a super long pole, put it probably like 6 to 10 feet behind you, and obviously that is just not going to happen on a dirt bike. You might get away with that on a street bike where the bike isn't moving around as much, you're not on really rough terrain, but on a dirt bike there is no way that that's gonna happen. Second of all, you're gonna see the pole. It's gonna completely ruin the immersion because you're gonna see this huge pole sticking up off of your back, and it's gonna look super goofy in the video. What's great about this little unit is you can see the Insta360 One X2 has a camera on either side. Each one gives 180 degrees of filming, and then the software stitches those two images together, and it allows you to just like look all around in 360 degrees. You can look up, down, all around, no matter which way the camera is facing. You can be upside down, facing this way, that way, it doesn't matter. In the editing software, you can go in, rotate it, and look wherever you need to. So you don't actually have to worry about where this thing is pointing. You just slap it on and go and choose what you're looking at later. Now, the other dope thing about this is when the software stitches the two together, as long as you have the camera on the Insta360 Magic like selfie stick here, it makes the selfie stick completely vanish. So I got some footage for you guys walking around so you can see exactly what I'm talking about. As you can see, the camera just looks like it's floating in the air like a drone, and that's exactly what we need to get some third-person footage and not completely ruin the immersion with a pole sticking off my back. So theoretically, this camera is absolutely perfect. But of course, we're gonna have to come up with a way to mount it to me. Let's go take a look at what I've rigged up. And here she is, ladies and gentlemen. So what exactly we have here at the base is my Alpine Stars A1 chest protector. Normally I wear that under my jersey, but for obvious reasons, we're gonna have to wear it over my jersey today. We have a regular sticky mount here with the Magic selfie pole and the camera mounted on the end of it. I just put another sticky mount down here, clamped it onto the selfie stick, and now the thing is pretty much rock solid. So we just slap on the old chassis like so. We got the straps nice and tight. keep this thing locked on there so it doesn't wiggle around too much. And there we go, ladies and gentlemen. Can jump up and down. It's honestly, I mean, it ain't bad. A little bit of side-to-side wobble, but you know what? That's all right. I threw it on and rode my bike around the neighborhood, and it was working pretty well. Obviously, that's just going down smooth pavement. I have no idea how this is going to work out on the track, but that's why we're going to Glen Helen today to test this thing out. And what better track, such a legendary track to try this thing. So we're gonna load up without further ado, head to the track, and see if this contraption holds up on a dirt bike track. I might look a little funny out there, but you know what? It's for you guys. It's for the shot. So let's load up, head to the track, throw this contraption on, and see if we can get some video game style footage. You'll know it was a success if the next clip is of me wearing this thing out on the track. So let's go send it. know if I even need to say anything after watching that footage. I mean, I had some really high hopes for this camera. Literally blew my expectations out of the water. I had no idea that this thing was going to be that amazing. There's definitely some kinks I need to work out with the chest protector mount in general, make it a little bit more stable, get the angle figured out just right, but dude, for the first trial, I am so happy with how this thing performed. Once again, this camera is called the Insta360 One X2. Try and get a good close-up of it here for you guys to take a look at. It's already got a couple little battle scars from the day. I'm sure that will not be the last because I am going to use the heck out of this thing. I searched high and low on the internet, couldn't find anybody who posted footage that looked anywhere remotely close to what we were able to do today with this 360-degree camera. So I'm stoked. You guys would have noticed we also tried out some of the other mounts, specifically the one that clamps onto the handlebar and sticks out in front of your front fender. Can kind of swivel it around, look back at your face, look at the track. So that one even turned out really cool. So hopefully you guys are stoked on it. If you guys like the footage that you saw, I'll have the link for the camera down in the description below. They're running a really good sale right now where you guys get some cash off, so definitely go check it out if you're looking to get one of these for yourself. So far, so good. Can't say enough good things about it. So yeah, I'm stoked. I'm gonna be using this thing a lot. Excited to do some more filming with it and dial it all in. You guys will have to let me know exactly what you think. As always, thank you guys very much for watching. We'll catch you in the next video. Peace out, guys.